Everything is awesome. Everything is cool when you're on a team. What? It's my jam. The Lego Movie. So the Lego Movie stars Chris Pratt, Morgan Freeman, Liam Neeson's in it, Will Ferrell's in it. It has a pretty all-star cast, and it is pretty awesome. So I was really looking forward to this movie. I mean, it was probably my most anticipated computer animation of this year, and I just was really excited for it. I thought that it looked like it had a really smart sense of humor, and that it just looked cool. And this movie was exactly what I thought it was gonna be. It was great. First of all, the voice acting is freaking fantastic. Like, everyone just puts their all into every single shot in the movie, and the animation is really good. This movie was really clever, and the animation, the way it was filmed, it looks like it was a stop animation Lego movie. Everything was completely made out of Legos, and it just looked like it would take a while. If that was actually a Lego set, it would have taken forever to build, because, like, everything is made up of Legos. Like, even the ocean is made up of Legos. It's just done really, really cleverly. The dialogue is really, really well done, and it is actually pretty funny for a movie that I thought was gonna just be centered towards kids. I was laughing really, really hard in a couple scenes. Like, I was completely belly laughing, and I didn't think that I would do that, and the movie just pulled it off really well. Another part that the movie pulled off really well was the movie just had these really, really, sad and like emotional parts, and they just pulled it off. I felt some emotions there, and they just did it so well. And at a point in this movie, I was just enjoying the crap out of myself. And this movie is long, but this movie like went by like a breeze. It went along so fast that I was like, whoa, that movie was 2 hours? I had a feeling that movie was shorter. Like, I felt like it had just gone by in like half an hour. It went by so fast. I can watch this movie over and over and over again. I'm gonna see it a second time. I already saw it once, and yes, I know, I did see this movie on Tuesday, and I should have gotten my review earlier, but that's just the only time that I could see the movie. So I'm gonna delve into a little bit of spoilers, but if you wanted to see the movie, you would have already. It's Tuesday. There's a part in this movie that I laughed so hard, like I was belly laughing so hard. I was on the floor laughing. Let's just say that it involves Will Ferrell and a kid, and it's freaking hilarious. This is the first Liam Neeson movie I've seen in a while where I actually was really rooting for him. Like, he did parts really, really well, and I was surprised. I was like, man, you're definitely doing a good job and better than you have been doing for the last few years. And at points in this movie, I started to tear up, and I realized that this is a kids movie, and they just did it so well. This is the best kids movie I've seen in years. It's the best thing since Toy Story 3, so I just loved every second of this movie. It's freaking fantastic. I wasn't expecting to give it this high of a grade. I'm gonna give the Lego Movie a 9.5 out of 10. This movie's great. Okay, so I'm gonna delve into spoilers a little bit. A point in this movie that is probably the funniest point in this movie. Morgan Freeman's character dies in the movie. He gets his head chopped off, and then his ghosts come, and it's like it's like on a string. It looks like someone's just like dangling him, and it's hilarious. The dialogue was so well written, I was just really, really surprised. This movie is great. It is freaking hilarious. Bring your kid, bring an adult, just bring the whole family. It's for everyone. You will just have a really, really fun time, and you'll enjoy the crap out of it. It's a freaking awesome movie. So comment below and let me know if you've seen this movie, and please, please go see it if you haven't seen it. See it over the Monuments Men or that other vampire Academy School movie that looks awful. Just see this for sure. It definitely won over the weekend. Thank you guys for watching. This is Pigglelink signing off.